Hi guys, welcome to another video. Shopify released a new WordPress plugin. So if you are a WordPress website owner and if you want to embed or add Shopify products directly into your WordPress website, you can do that very easily with this new plugin. And if you are already invested in WordPress and you have a really good design and you don't want to transfer over the whole website and pay developers a lot of money to transfer your website to Shopify, you can use this plugin really easily. Shopify has now made it super simple. Previously, you were needed to use buy now buttons where you would add a sales channel in Shopify as a buy now and then create button of buy now for every single product. But this plugin is way more easier than that. Let me show you how you can do that on your WordPress website. So I am on a test install of the WordPress and I'm going to install that plugin. So I'm going to go to plugins and then click on add plugin. Upload plugin. I already have the plugin downloaded. If you want to download the plugin, there is a link in the description through which you can download. Okay, let me upload the plugin. There's the plugin. I'm going to click on install now and then click on activate plugin. Perfect. We have our WordPress plugin added in. We have a Shopify plugin added in the WordPress. Now I'm going to connect it with my Shopify development store. That is the development store. Before moving in, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel. I have created a ton of free sections for Shopify merchants, Shopify store owners. If you want to enhance the layout of your Shopify store without paying anything, you can subscribe to this channel where I have already created a ton of videos with the free sections. Let me show you what are the free sections which I have created. So I'm going to head over to my YouTube channel. And here you will find all of the videos. So if I go to playlist and search for Shopify, you can see that these are the Shopify theme tutorials. These are the free Shopify sliders playlist, meaning I have created like a ton of sliders which you can use on your store, on your theme completely for free. And there are some other tutorials like Shopify transparent headers. And there's a separate playlist for Shopify sections. So if you click on view full playlist, you will have all of these sections completely for free. Animated theme page, WhatsApp order button, simple testimonial section, number of people viewing Shopify product. All of these sections are completely for free available for you. You just need to subscribe. Let's head back to the tutorial now. I'm going to close this. And now on my Shopify development store, I am going to add a sales channel in order to connect with my WordPress website. Now let's go to the backend of the development store. So guys, that's the backend of WordPress. I'm going to search for sell on WordPress. That's the name of the sales channel, which we will need to add in our Shopify dashboard. So click on this search sell on WordPress in Shopify App Store. Right? Let's click on that. And here you will find this one, which is created by Shopify. Make sure to check out this logo, right? And add this on your development store or on your live store. I'm going to click on sell on WordPress and then click on install. Okay, here we have the Shopify access token, which we will need to add on a WordPress backend. So I'm going to copy this Shopify access token and then click on connect your store. And here I have this option of Shopify access token. This one is all previously connected. That is the different development store. I'm going to disconnect that and connect the new one. Paste the access token. So I'm going to paste this access token here, which I have copied from this development store. So that is my development store and that is the access token. Access token for this development store, right? I'm going to copy this to my WordPress backend and then click on connect. Perfect. Once this is connected, we can add the product directly in WordPress Gutenberg editor. So let's go to all pages and then try to create a new page by clicking on add page. And I am going to create a test page where I have this option to add new blocks, right? I'm going to add a new block. So click on this plus sign. Actually, I am on the code editor mode. I'm going to switch it to the visual mode. So that is the visual editor of the WordPress website. I was in the code editor. I'm going to switch to visual editor. And here you can see that we have this plus sign showing up. I'm going to click on add block and then search for Shopify. You can see we have these two options which are showing up after we added the plugin. If I deactivate the plugin, these blocks are not going to show up. Okay, so let's first try adding a single Shopify product. So click on that. And I am going to select any of the products from here. So all of the products will show up in the drop-down menu. You can see I have few products in my development store at the moment. If I go to the back end of my development store, you can see these are the products which are showing up on the back end. Let's say I want to add this slogan t-shirt. I'm going to simply search for slogan, and you can see that this product is showing up, right? Select this product and then click on publish. Click on publish again for the page, and you can see that our product is showing up. Now, if I review that page, you can see that we have nice looking product with the image. And here we also have this quick shop button showing up. So if I click on it, you can see that we have this stylish pop-up from our Shopify store directly showing up here. And I can simply click on buy now, and it's going to take me to the checkout page. So after clicking on buy now, you can see that it has added product to the checkout and being redirected to my development store. Cool, right? Now let's try adding the collection. And also we have the option of adding the custom CSS here. So if I go to my WordPress backend, I'm going to close these extra windows. So if I click on this WordPress block, we have this option of adding additional CSS classes. So we're going to simply add the CSS class, and in the customized settings of WordPress, you can add custom CSS as well. Now, if you guys are trying to embed your Shopify products on an Elementor website, meaning if you have WordPress and an Elementor plugin installed where your most of the pages are built with Elementor, then this tutorial is not going to work. But if you want me to create a separate video for that, in the comment section, type in Elementor, and I am going to create a separate video for you guys in which I'll show you guys how you can embed Shopify products on an Elementor WordPress website, because this one is using a Gutenberg editor. Okay, so we did test it with the single product. Now I'm going to test it with the collection as well, the collection block. So I'm going to delete this block here and click on plus sign again. And here you can see that we also have the option to add in a Shopify collection. So let's add a Shopify collection. And from this drop down, we can see all of the collections are showing up. So let's click on all. And here we have all of the products, right? And we have the option to change max products per row. And we have the option to change max products per page. And we also have the option to add an CSS class, which is an advanced method. Now let's preview our collection page. I'm going to click on save and then click on this icon to preview. And here you can see that our collection is showing up, and we have two pages. The second page is showing up the remaining product with the pagination, right? And if we click on this plus sign, we have this pop-up which shows the product. And we can simply add to cart, change the size, and directly click on buy now to go to the checkout page. So on the Shopify backend, we do have some options where we can create a product page which will showcase all of the product and collection in one central place, or we can simply click on this add product, which will navigate us back to the WordPress website to add product. And that's it for this sell on WordPress Shopify sales channel. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video. Until next video, have a great day.